What's going on, everybody? My name is Emerson. I'm with Allegiance Construction and Development. I am here today to bring you on a little walkthrough of our home that we're renovating. And this home started to be built in the late 1700s, moved into mid 1800s. They remodeled. Then in the 1900s, they remodeled again. We picked this house up. I'm going to show you in the basement, show you some of the foundation and some of the new supports that we added to the house to make sure that it was safe to live in, and it can add, it can be brought up to today's standard, which a lot of the building materials are going to be much heavier than what was used way back then. So come with me while I bring you around on this little tiny tour, making it modern and rustic at the same time, which if you want to see around this little room right here, you can see that a lot of this is already rustic. So we're going to be leaving some of this. And don't mind the window wrap. I have the house covered right now. We're going to take that back off for insulation purposes, stuff like that. But the interior of this room is not going to get touched. I don't know if you can see some of the wood behind me. But we're not really going to touch this room because I like the carpentry work. I love the woodwork. What we're going to do is go on a walkthrough for the rest of the house. We're going to check out the basement and show you what they used back in the early 1800s when this addition was actually put onto the existing house, which was very tiny. So anyways, come with me. Let's take a walk. All right, so we're going into this side of the house. In here, this is going to be our new kitchen. There's going to be a small bedroom right back there, which we'll get into that in a little bit. We just wanted it to be, some kind of like just in-law thing. That way they have their own bath, shower, so on and so forth. Right here, this is going to be the new island, and it's going to be very large. So what we did in the basement was add some stuff. This is the old plumbing stack that was here that is no longer there. Can lights. These are new. Well, not really a can light anymore, more like a puck light for drywall. So basically at the end of this, we have a template, stick it in with your router, cut your hole and slide the new hockey puck style LEDs up into the 1/2-inch drywall that's going to be on the ceiling. We already have everything roughed out in the kitchen, but the electric has all been roughed. It's ready to go. This is for the outside porch, in the kitchen. Everything will be on separate switches on its own dimming. This bathroom, we're going to leave for right now. The door is gonna stay because I actually really like the door. That's it. Gotta keep the door. Life is good. Bathroom's coming out though. The green. Gotta go. This little cupboard, pantry, go from the kitchen in here. These are cabinets from the existing home. We wanted to keep some of the original stuff that was in here. Just good omen. Good omen. What we're gonna do now is give you a little tour of the upstairs. This is the second story. Here is walking through what used to be a bathroom. So this is the old bathroom that was up here. We gutted all that out. We're gonna change everything around, kind of move stuff. The shower will be over here. This is gonna go up. So these are 5-inch timbers right here. We're gonna be making this 2x10. We're gonna raise the roof up so we have a 7'8" plate height, which will give us full capability of a full shower, full bathroom. You won't have this little weird 4-foot wall here. All right, moving on. This room will be enclosed, which there will be a wall here, right here. This will be the new wall. It's very hard to tell, but right at the edge of the floor. So this will be a bedroom all on its own. This is how you will get to the bedroom. So this is the old, going into the stairwell. So this stairwell right here used to be closed up. All this was all closed. We've now taken all this out. It was not structural. Everything in here is conventionally framed all the way across. So none of it is bearing. This will add a lot more light to the place because when these walls were here, it was just awful. We wanted to take that out. The other side, which way I'm looking, I will show you right now. And we're going to spin. So, this is going to be the new master wing of the house. In through here. So this whole wall will be coming out. Everything in here. This wall stays. This right here is going to be the new laundry room. There will be countertop, sink, washer, dryer, maybe a folding station, something like that, and a little nook closet. These are gonna have barn doors that go across. Try to bring it up to speed a little, but keep it rustic at the same time. Once this wall's gone, blown out of here, we are going to build a brand new master suite included with new master bathroom and a small office. So let's go down and check out the basement. Get above this light. This is some of the new structural beams in the basement, and what we've done is covered up this. This is the original floor joists from when this house was built. These are trees cut in half. This is the joist. It still has the bark on it. This is tree bark on every one of them. Right? If you have this in your home, just know that no force on earth can take it down. All right, going on this side, we've now added new 2x8 floor joists to every single bay. All of them have been paired. This triple beam is directly under the island, going onto this beam, onto the new columns, which, guys, this is another tree right here. A tree that they debarked. New footings in each location. We're trying to do right now is basically get the outside in order also. All right, so we are in the second garage, not the one up front. So here's the house. This is that rustic room that we were in earlier. That is a 2-car garage. It's already been re-roofed, ready to rock. This one, we've kind of just been using for storage for like tools, some of the smaller equipment on site. What we've done is blow out the back side of this. So basically we can pull in cars, pull right out the other side, which, awesome. But this will be the new auto mechanic garage for me. All right, maybe not just for me, but we already have new doors that are going in, all the entries and exits. I know it's really bright, guys, sorry about that. But here's your new garage door, so we'll be able to just pull stuff right through. Going back in, one of the things we are going to do is all some paneling, most likely done around 1920 to 1940. But you see the look of the crackled paint. So this is lead paint. What we're gonna do now is basically encapsulate everything on this ceiling and then paint over it. We're not gonna cover it with any new building materials other than the paint. The paint, I wanted it to have like that existing look, that crackly look. I loved it, it's so cool. So that's my tour for today, guys. Thanks for following us and trying to keep up with this remodel. Over the next 6 weeks, we should be all buttoned up. Hopefully I'll have, 5 or 6 more episodes once things start get rolling. Once things start to get rolling a little faster, keep watching. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, guys. Like our page on Facebook if you can. We really appreciate that. I love all the comments. We hope to bring you some good info later on down the road. Oh, that's my new backdrop. What do you guys think? Backdrop? Yes? No? Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I will see you guys on the next one. Coming very soon. Later.